Hi, my name is Andreas, and some say the perfect aircraft does not exist yet. So I decided to build it on my own. If you love aircraft, follow me, get it from dream to reality. Let's go! Welcome back, my friends. Today we are moving the aircraft to a horizontal position so that we can take the molds from it. Here you can see the fit of the engine inlet again, this time with a little bit better video resolution. We spent almost 3 hours of tidying up the workshop, and then we brought up the separation surface from the workshop in the basement. We will temporarily put the aircraft plug outside, and then we will set up the separation surface with some laser levels. It would normally be a 3-person job, so we took the help of our workshop crane to take away the stands. We will also turn it around, which can only be achieved while outside. In the meantime, we check the positioning of the separation surface. It will only fit into the workshop at an angle, but we also want to be capable of reaching every position. Speaking about angles, this video angle gives you quite a good impression of how the aircraft will later look like when standing parked at an airport. You know the saying, what looks good flies good, so I cannot wait for my first flight in it. Good, so this looks like there will be sufficient access for us for laminating the molds. Now we have to somehow get the aircraft plug back in. The jig is now a little bit in our way, so we are again using the help of the crane to get it back in. We will lay down the front of the aircraft on a cushion for a moment so that we can concentrate on aligning the back. Now is the moment to rotate it from vertical to horizontal. Good, so now that this is done, let's lower it a little bit. The positioning is almost perfect, so let's now lower it inch by inch to the final position. And just 1 more inch until contact. Next, we also have to fine-tune the front of the aircraft. And now the alignment is finally perfect. The only thing missing now is to close the gap between the parting surface and the fuselage with a little bit of a wax fillet. We are both quite busy for the next days, but it should be feasible before the next video. Tom wanted to see the engine inlet on the aircraft once more, and so I thought maybe you do too. In the meantime, do what you like most, have a good time, and see you again next week. And as always, fly safe, fly Horus.